Hello and welcome. Welcome to the wonderful world of photography. David Bradley here. One of the reasons I shoot flowers from time to time is because I don't think I'm good at shooting flowers. So I keep trying. And I don't even know what this is. And I really don't remember where I was. I suspect I was pulled over at the side of the road somewhere looking at something interesting when I looked and said, oh, gee, that looks kind of cool. So it's a subtle kind of shade of purple, and it looks like some of it has like the strandy stuff has maybe like bloomed and the other stuff hasn't bloomed. I don't know. I don't know what it is. But it caught my eye and I thought, So of course I got into the best position, zoomed as much as I could, and shot it. Once again, why? Because I really don't think I'm good when it comes to shooting flowers. So I keep trying. I keep trying to train my eye and train my vision. See if I can get better at it. Because I see other things that people have shot and when it comes to flowers, and I say, wow, that's really great. And then I look at my stuff and I say, yeah, I could do better. But how? Well, how? Well, like anything, practice, practice, practice. Just keep on trying. And hopefully at some point you'll come up with that one magical flower picture where you say, that's it. Kind of like in golf when you hit a great shot and you think, that's it. I am a great golfer now. And then, the next one goes like 3 feet because you smack the ground. And yeah. Anyway, as I say, I don't know what this is. I don't know exactly where I was. I'm sure it was somewhere in Ontario. And I was pleased to shoot it. And I'm pleased to share it with you. So thanks so much for coming. Thanks for being here. Keep training your eye. And as I say, if there's something you're not good at, don't give up on it. Keep trying. Keep trying. Keep practicing. And now that everything, pretty much, not everything, but most everything is digital, it doesn't cost anything to shoot bad pictures and delete them. Bye for now.